So anyone thinking of fitting an Elica skydome H30 ceiling extractor, just be aware before you build your bulkhead of what you're going to need. I've built a bulkhead out of 4x2s, but the design of these brackets that support it, they won't sit on there 4x2 like 50mm timber. You need to use 20mm box section. The reason being, if you've got, allow 15mm for your plasterboard, and then the maximum really you need to hang this on is like 25mm, so it's got to be steel. I'd use 20mm box section plus your 15mm, that takes you to about 35. So it ain't gonna sit on 65mm, because if you've got 50mm for your timber and 15mm for your plasterboard, that's 65. You've got nowhere near that amount, because the whole thing sits on these brackets. You just wind this M6 screw out, which is a 5mm Allen key, and that clamps down. That clamps down on your steel rails. You turn it clockwise. So if you imagine your steelwork being sat in there, 15mm plasterboard, but it ain't gonna work with timber. I didn't have any 20mm box section to hand. I had a couple of old roof bars, so I just converted them. You can see there is a top rail and a bottom rail. So that extractor fan is going to sit on here. And those arms will locate on this rail here. Yeah, just wind them down, and your plasterboard will sit across here. Just a tip for anyone that's thinking of fitting an Elica skydome extractor fan. I imagine the others are the same, but it doesn't tell you anything about that in the instructions. You just have to try and figure it out. So once you've built your timber bulkhead and got your 20mm box section rails in, that's two each side, one support rail and one to actually hang it off. Then I found the easiest way, because these ceiling fans are heavy, get some staging set up and a hop up and get it as close as you can, then you can lift it in. That's if you're working on your own.